Where is the Indian state Manipur? Let's try to dig out Manipur unrest and the violence against Christians. On 21st September 1949, Manipur was merged with the Indian Union. It was once an independent princely state which was taken over by the British in 1891. Manipur was a union territory of India since 1962 and achieved full statehood within India in 1972. Article 371C of the Indian Constitution protects the tribal areas, restricts people from the valley or outside from buying land in the hill districts inhabited by the scheduled caste ST. However, fiddling with the ST status is driven by the Hindutva's political desire with an aim to grab the resources, lands of the ST for Meitei community, predominantly the Hindus. BJP-led Manipur state government wants to undo the Article 371C on the same pattern as Modi did in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. To get rid of the Hindutva yoke, the ST Christians' demand for a separate independent state is justified. Manipur's scheduled tribes, namely Naga, Kuki, Chin, predominantly the Christians by religion, live in the hill district which account for 90% of the state land and the landmass. Meiteis, the predominantly Hindus by religion, are the majority community in Manipur, comprising around 60% of the population living in the valley. Tribal population has scheduled tribe status that grants them the access to forest lands, a guaranteed proportion of government jobs, admissions in educational institutions, and inclusive rights to property in the protected hills, 90% of Manipur, and quotas. Meiteis are entitled to scheduled caste and other backward caste reservations, hence they cannot purchase property outside Impal area, 10% of Manipur due to scheduled tribe rights in the hill areas.